friends, welcome to my channel.
In this video, we are going to solve a new problem that is prove that sin theta is equal to sin 3 theta by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. Let us start solving this. So here LHS is sin theta and RHS is sin 3 theta by 1 plus 2 cos theta. Now I am going to solve the RHS. So let us take RHS. This is sin 3 theta by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. So sin 3 theta. So sin 3 theta is a formula. Like we can write it as a formula. That sin 3 theta is equals to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This is the formula of sin 3 theta. Let us substitute that formula. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta by 1 plus 2 cos theta. So cos 2 theta. So we also know the formula of cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta formula is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. You have to bring everything in terms of sign so that it will be easy for us to solve. So 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now we can simplify this more further. So 1 plus, we have solved the denominator. Now we are going to solve the numerator again. So 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So here sin theta is there, right? We can take it as common. Yes, we can take the sin theta as common. Sin theta is common and we can write 3 minus 4 sin cube theta. Yes, we can. Or square. 3 minus 4 sin square theta, because like in cube, but if we take one sign out, we will be left with 2 signs, that is sin square. So in the denominator, what we have to do is we are going to multiply this 2 inside the brackets. Inside the bracket. So what do we get? We get 1 plus 4. 1 plus 2 minus 4 sin square theta. If you multiply this 2 inside the brackets, 2 ones 2, so we got 2. 2 2s 4 plus 2 into minus 2, we get minus 4. So 1 plus 2 minus 4 sin square theta, we can leave it as it is. Now we have to simplify this more further. So in numerator we have simplified. Let's leave it like that. Now we are going to simplify denominator again. Now 1 plus 2 we can write as 3 minus 4 sin square theta. Now what do you see common in denominator and numerator? We see common 3 minus 4 sin square theta and 3 minus 4 sin square theta common in denominator and numerator. So let's cancel them out. Yes, we have cancelled them out, and what we are left with? That is sin theta. So we are left with sin theta. So what is in the LHS? We have sin theta in LHS, and what after simplification, what did we got in RHS? We got sin theta. So therefore, we can state that LHS is equals to RHS. That's it.
If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.